Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to merge cells in Google Sheets. So for example, if you would like to merge these three cells, you need to select them, and after that you need to click on this one icon to let you to merge cells. After that the cells will be successfully merged, so it is the first option. The second option is using Format tab, so for example I'm going to select these three cells, and now I need to go to Format, and I need to go to merge cells, and here we need to select this one option, merge all. So I click on it, and then it should be successfully merged. Remember that you can try to merge cells where you have numbers. For example, I will type here 2 and here maybe 4. If you would like to merge it, you need to select these cells, and again you need to click on this one option. Then you will see this one information, merging cells will only preserve the top leftmost value. Merge anyway. If you are sure you want to do it, you need to click OK button. And how you see, it has been successfully merged. And here on this cell we have number 2, because it was on the left cell. So how you see it really works. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of a problem.